Hey, what's up, 2SLS? This is Captain Jason Lowry. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use your commercial internet, your personal computers, to access an FOUO approved chat function where you can store and talk FOUO without having to VPN through a government issue laptop while you're at home. So whether your flight just doesn't have enough laptops for everyone to use, or you're like me and you just get super frustrated with how slow our laptops are with all the bloatware that's on them and just how slow the VPN is, this is a good alternative option that you can use to continue communicating between your flight mates. The way you do it is through a program called DoD Platform One. So if you aren't tracking, the Air Force Chief Software Officer is a new position, and they've been working on all kinds of new ways of doing business that commercial businesses use already, so namely cloud-native applications. And what they did was they created a platform where people can take code, they can go through a process to get that accredited and onboarded through DoD Platform One. Good use case for this is code called Mattermost. Mattermost is open source code that copies Slack. Basically, it's just like a basic workspace chat and functionality and attachment sharing. And so you can go on GitHub and get Mattermost for your personal use. But what the DoD Platform One team is, they took that, they got it accredited and certified to field on. So now we have an option to use it from our home computers through commercial internet. So Platform One is awesome. This is Baby Yoda holding a glass of water with the Kubernetes logo. Kubernetes is open source containerization code for cloud hosting cloud native apps, and it's putting out the fire of waterfall, meaning waterfall software development, so like the traditional form of software development. And their whole mission is to eliminate traditional waterfall acquisition because it's a proven failure in the commercial world, especially for cloud native applications. Anyways, the way you get there is pretty simple. You just type in this address right here. You don't even need that login part. You just type in that part and it'll take you right to it. And once you get here, you have to have a CAC enabled personal computer. So for example, I have a USB CAC reader that's plugged into my laptop right now. And then you have to sign in through your Air Force portal login by simply clicking this button and going through this process. So this is pretty normal. I just use my email cert, and then it takes you into Mattermost. Once you get into this Mattermost account, there's going to be all kinds of public channels that you join. The one that you're going to want is the USSF-30SW public channel. I've tried to set it so that anyone can access it, but if you're having trouble, just shoot me a private message and I'll add you manually. Also, for anyone in the 2SLS, if you want to use the private channel here, just shoot me a message and I'll add you to it. If you want to have like your own workspace where you can store FOUO information off like your government laptop or government computer, you just create a private channel like this for yourself, essentially. And then if you're on, like, so for example, if I'm on my laptop or my government computer, I just got an email, important attachment, I think, I'll create my own private channel for your desktop. You'll just attach whatever files you want here, and they'll stay in here. And you basically like send a message to yourself, essentially, and they'll stay in here. And so then when you go home or when you're accessing it from your personal computer, you just log in like I just did and you have access to it here. And then when you edit and change the file, you save it back to your Mattermost account, and there you go. And this could also be used, like the chat function can be used as basically an email system, or same with the direct messages. You can, instead of having everyone have to VPN constantly and log into their laptops to talk to each other, you can just use direct message here. So it's pretty useful. And I think that's about most of the functionality so far. I'm still pretty new to it, but the long story is, or the short story is simply now you can talk and share FOUO files without having to have a computer, have a government issue laptop, without having a VPN in. It's a lot faster. All right. Thanks for watching. See ya.